Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your free Canva account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you make a chart in your Canva account for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a chart in your Canva account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or an in-person business, you know that sometimes you have to make presentation to close the deal. And by having a chart explaining your services can help with your conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a chart using your Canva account, first what you're going to do is here on the top search bar, go ahead and type in chart. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show various templates that are available in your Canva account. But first, what you want to do is click on this purple See All button here on the right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the chart templates available in your Canva. Now, most of these are free. However, if they have a crown like this one or a dollar sign, then there is a cost associated with that. If you just want to see the free chart templates, you want to click on All Filters here on the top center. Once you click there, you'll see this drop down on the left and just scroll down until you see this button here, Free, and you click on it and then click on Apply. Now it's going to load up all of the free charts that are available in Canva. So you can see there's quite a few of them and looks like, yes, a lot of these are pretty creative. So just kind of scroll through and then see whichever fits your brand or your goals on your chart. So like if you want a line graph here, maybe a colored chart right here. So let's see here. So I kind of like this one right here. So let me click on it. And the cool thing about Canva is once you choose a template, it's going to show you other ones that are related. So you can sometimes find a better one if you scroll down a little bit. But for me, this one looks okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Customize this template. Okay, so here is the editor. So as we hover over this, you're going to see these kind of purple boxes. That means that we can edit the information in there. So it's kind of like setting up a Facebook page. So for example, let's see here. Let's go ahead and change the data. So first off, we're not doing a shopping. Let's say this is a chart about Chinese food. So maybe this one is going to be chow mein and this one will be kung pao, sweet and sour. Okay, so this looks kind of weird because the lettering is too big. So you can go ahead and just triple click on it and highlight everything. And then you can go ahead and just shrink it down. So let's see, sweet and sour. Okay, that looks better. Wonton, and then we'll do burrito. Okay, and then what we're going to do is click on the chart itself. And then here on the top menu, we can go ahead and change the color. So maybe we'll go ahead and change this to red. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and change the data by clicking data up here on the top. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and change this. So this was shopping, but this we're going to change to chow mein. And then this one was kung pao. This was sweet and sour, and then others burrito. Okay, and then we can go ahead and change the percentages if we want by editing these numbers. So we'll do 55 here, or if we want to do maybe 12, you can see the chart as you click on it, it starts to shrink down. So that's pretty cool. And then here we'll go ahead and change the title. So this is not expenses. This is most like Chinese food. Okay. And you can see it's covering everything. So same thing. We can go ahead and just triple click and then we'll just decrease the size. Maybe we'll do 30. All right. And then here we'll go ahead and say US population and then decrease this. All right. Now we want to go ahead and change the color because this burrito is not matching up down here. So we'll change that to red. Okay. So that looks pretty good as an infographic. Now, if you want to add on to this infographic, you can go ahead and add a page right here. But if you add a page, it's going to add a blank page into your infographic, as you can see, and you're gonna have to rebuild everything. So you can easily just click up here and then right click and then copy this and then just paste it right down here. So click on it and then paste, and we can move that around inside the page. But what I'll normally do is, let me go ahead and delete this page. Instead of rebuilding, I usually just click up here on the top and we'll duplicate the page. And then, so we have most like Chinese food here. And then maybe down here, we'll do most like Mexican food. And then we can go ahead and just do the same thing. We'll build out this chart. So that looks pretty good. So the next thing you want to do is click up here on the top center and just name this infographic for Anthony. And then lastly, what you want to do is click on share here on the top right. Before you do that, I want to let you know, you can actually change the background color as well. So if you click into here, you can see it's gray, but maybe we want to go ahead and change that to a yellow and you can see the background color changes. So that's actually a really important thing to make those colors pop. Okay, so we'll click on share this infographic and then we can download. And here you want to choose the file type. So you do a PNG, a JPG, a PDF. So I'm going to do a PNG and then download. Okay, next my infographic that we created in Canva pops up. So it looks pretty good as you can see. And then we got 2 pages here. So we can go ahead and use this as my presentation. So we can talk about Chinese food and then we can swipe up and we can go ahead and talk about Mexican food. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an infographic in your Canva account for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.